Hi creators! How are you doing? This is Patrick YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to use your mobile phone and Canva to create a talking air avatar video. Like this one you are watching right now. I will show you step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to create content without always showing your face. I also have tutorials like this one for desktop version too. Maybe you can watch it later. After this one, let's get started.
The first step is to generate the image. To do that, head over to your phone browser and type leonardo.ai. Then click enter. This is leonardo.ai. Click on get started. Paste in your prompt here. Let's take a look at my prompt. My prompt says, a young Nigerian gay YouTuber in a YouTube studio, seated elegantly on a fancy chair, wearing a modest t-shirt with PO YouTube channel. This is my prompt. I got this prompt from ChatGPT. You can also create something similar to this one. When you have pasted your prompt here, click on create. For me, I've already done that and the result is here. I have about 8 different pictures. I would like to choose one of them. The one that I like best is this first one. But let's just take a look at each of them to see how this AI generated my images. All these are really amazing. But I like this first one, so I will tap on it. Then this is the download icon. I'll download it on my phone. The next thing I want to do is to go to Canva. Click on it. Go to the search bar and type something like YouTube thumbnail. Click on search. Scroll down. Click on this plus sign icon to create a blank page. This is where we want to create our video. This is where we want to turn the image we have created from leonardo.ai to video so that the image can talk, smile, and speak in natural way. To do that, come over here that says elements, text, and gallery. Slide to the left until you find this option that says apps. Click on it. Go to the search bar again. This time, type something like AI presenter. AI presenter. Click search. Go down until you find this option that says DID AI avatar. DID AI avatar. This is what I want. Click on it. You can actually choose from any of these templates and create your own video. But as for me, I want to use the image I have created from leonardo.ai. So here allow me to upload my own image. Click on upload. I will go to where I saved the image to, which is this. Click on add. So this is the image I have created from leonardo.ai, and that is what I want to use for my video. Coming over to this box is where you want to paste your text. The text is the script of your video, what you want your image to say. You can get that from ChatGPT. What you want your image to say. For me, I want my image to just introduce this tutorial. So that's what I will paste here. You can also come to this tab that says audio. If you have already recorded your audio or you have done a voiceover, this is where you will come. You come to this audio tab, click on choose file. Then locate where your recorded audio is. Upload it to Canva. But as for me, I have not done any voiceover. I want to use text. So it is the text that will determine what I want my image to see. So I will just paste in my text here. This is my text that I want the image to see in my video. You can get your text from ChatGPT. Let's just take a look at my text. You say, hi creators, how are you doing? This is Patrick YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to use your mobile phone in Canva to create a talking AI avatar video. So this is just an introduction of teaching you how to create this type of video. You can paste whatever thing you want, provided that you know what you want to tell your audience, the message you want to pass on to your audience, and what you want your image to see. That is what you paste here. Now, coming at the bottom left corner, you are going to see something like insert a 0.5 second pause. What this will do is that this will allow the image to pause for a certain place that you want it to be before it continues. Why I like this is because it makes it to be natural. Because when someone just start talking all the way to the end without pausing, it does not feel natural. But when someone pauses at a particular point, then continue to talk, you know that it is natural, right? So that is what you want this image to do. You want the image to pause in between where you want it to be, so that what the image will be saying, it is natural and clear to the ear. So to do that, just place where you want the image to pause. Then this is my console. I will just tap here. You see this mark here, this time, this stopwatch here shows that the image will pause 0.5 seconds before continuing. The image will say something like, after this one, then it will now pause. It will pause 0.5 seconds before it continues. If you look around throughout my text, you will see all the stopwatch around it. I want the image to pause 0.5 seconds for all these places. So you can do something like this. You can play around yours and see where you want your image to pause. Because without this, the image will just be saying it all through. It will not have that natural feeling, that human feeling. But when it pauses in some places, it makes it enjoyable, engaging, and natural. You want to do something like this as well. Going down to voice, click here that says see all. Here you can select the language you want. You can select whatever language that you want. For instance, here it says Chinese. If you want your image to say something like Chinese, you can actually get that from ChatGPT. Get the prompt, paste it on Canva, and it will generate it for you. But don't forget to select the language first. But as for me, I want to leave mine at English. Coming over to the accent, the country, I want a Nigeria accent because I am in Nigeria and the image I have created says it is a young Nigerian lady. So I want to choose a voice that suits the image I've created. So I will tap on it. You can tap on whatever countries you want, whatever accent you want, you can select it as well. For me, I want to select a Nigeria accent. I'll tap on it. Yeah, I have two options. The first one is male and the second one is female. Don't forget, the image I have created says it is a young Nigerian lady. So I want to choose something that corresponds to the image I've created, which is female. Then I will tap on this. I will click on use voice. So this is my Nigeria voice I have selected. I want to preview it to see what it looks like. Let's play it.
Hi creators. How are you doing? This is Patrick YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to use your mobile phone and Canva to create a talking AI avatar video. like this one.
This is really nice. And if you notice, the audio is pausing at 0.5 seconds after seeing a particular thing, which is the way I set it to be. That's why you see those stopwatch there. So if I'm okay with the settings, I'll check everything, I'm okay with it, then I'll just click on generate presenter. But before I download it to my phone, I want to resize it. This is what it just gave me. It is not resized. So what I will do, I'll come over here, take it to the edge, drag all the way down. Now, if you look at this bottom left corner, you'll see something like DID again. It's like a kind of watermark. So I want to remove this watermark. What I will do is to upload an image, the same image. This is a video right now, but I will upload an image to cover this watermark that you can see right here. So to cover this watermark that is here, I will go to gallery. Come over here that says gallery. I will upload the same image. Which is this. Click on add to page. Resize the image. Take it to the left. As you can see, the watermark is no longer there. I have used the same image to cover and hide this watermark that is here. So when I'm okay with everything, I'll just come over here, this top right corner here, I'll just click on export, then click on download. Make sure that you select the highest quality, then download to your phone.
Hi creators. How are you doing? This is Patrick YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to use your mobile phone and Canva to create a talking air avatar video, like this one you are watching right now.
Next, head over to CapCut. Click on add new project. Select the video you just created. Click on add. What you want to do here is to add it to the timeline of CapCut. Why I show you this is because if you want your video to be longer, like right now, this video is an introduction video of teaching you how to create an AI avatar that can talk. It is 20 seconds. So if you want your video to be longer than this, you want to repeat the same process using different prompts. Then when you are done, you download each of them to your phone. Then click on this plus icon here. Click on this plus icon. Then continue to select each of them to this timeline. Continue to select as many as possible depending on what you want your video to be. Depending on how long you want your video to be. Continue to select each of them one after the other. Then when you add all of them, it will not be like a kind of 8 minutes video, 10 minutes video. Then if you are okay, then you click on export your video and upload it to your YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. And until next time, I want to encourage all of you to keep creating and keep pushing.